Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Nemogoro bengi ya omwacho murigiriria bwegiteseni ekyubwanchete Ensoko TV ase eresu kwenene ya omuyegoria omadaraka day ekerense ya Kenya ya nyoreto busibore emyaka 53 ya etire nendo mwacho murira ngo kwarigania ase kiriboti kiria cyatokira semesa yeto yoboraria ase maragobe yabono kingo sabanga ukitegerere go ikomo erio erita nidinamura. Ritukuria rerekerense yagenderera gucengera ritukuria madaraka day omuraibu ensomoske William Ruto orairo moyegoyo iga omadaraka imeye county ya Wajir. Omoyegoyo no mutangani kigima gucengerwa imeye county iyo asegeka kemyaka 53 gisense ya Kenya konyoro bosibore bwaye. Muraibu ensotebire nigakorire igo asengenjo Chinsa mecho cha North Eastern cyatananirwe asegeke getambe na iyo taguche gokorekana gusekogenderera inse ya serikali yaye.
Sherehe ya madaraka. Moja. Mbili. Today we make history. For the first time in 63 years of self-rule and national celebration, Madaraka Day is being hosted here in Wajir, in the heart of northern Kenya. It is a national declaration. It is a moment of affirmation that Madaraka, our freedom, our dignity, our self-determination was never meant for some Kenyans and not for others. It was never meant for some regions and withheld from others. Madaraka belonged, still belongs, and will forever belong equally to every single Kenyan. But self-rule was never simply about changing who holds power. It was about beginning the long but necessary journey of building a nation worthy of the sacrifices that secured its freedom. That promise, that work in progress, is the reason we are here today in Wajir. Decades after independence, this region was left behind through neglect, marginalization, discrimination, and policy failures. Sessional paper number 10 of 1965 entrenched a development paradigm that concentrated development in the so-called high potential areas.
Oigo omuskeruto otebirube kiremerobere mekerano ase sekta yekisemi monokoene kebuna ekaunti ya Wajir iyo yaberege gutwara abarimu abakena oburemeru bw'ekisukuru nero yainyoirwe omentire goteba eserikali yaye yarikire abarimu eribweye mo kimisano na 3 korwa ekaunti ya Mandera Garissa Wajir nabo igo kwagacha achikole cy'ubwarimu imeye cy'ekaunti cyo bunenchereyemo yomukia osiyokwimuke kisemigoro imeye kisemecyo.
Our education budget has grown from 500 billion in 2022 to over 702 billion today. We have hired more than 100,000 teachers in just 3 years, with 20,000 more set to be hired this year, making it one of the most ambitious teacher recruitment drive in our nation's history. Most importantly, and as a source of pride for the people and leaders of Northern Kenya, 3 years ago, we agreed that the lasting solution to teacher shortages in this region was to train more local teachers. That is why we operationalized the Wajir and Kutulo and Mandera Teachers Training Colleges to complement Garissa Teachers Training College. Today, through this affirmative action program, a record 1,800 local teachers from the 3 counties of Wajir, Mandera, and Garissa have been employed and will be deployed in the region. Additionally, 4,616 young people from this region are enrolled in teacher training colleges, the highest number in our history.
Umugavana w'ikaunti ya Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi Jire omwakeiro murebwense Ruto Mbuya asokoinyore kaunti iyo yechingamia na koye siko enene asokoiro muyigo munene bw'obusibuli bwense ya Kenya imeye kaunti iyo omentire goteba eyo nesikenene asaba menyi bechinsemekyo abwasenga kentambe babeire bagwatananwa na gutiwa magega.
Your Excellency, it's a great honor and privilege to welcome you to Wajir County, the camel capital of Kenya, for the 63rd National Madaraka Day celebrations. On this day, as we reflect on our historic journey towards self-governance, I wish to recognize the courage, sacrifice, and the selflessness of our forefathers and the freedom fighters at both national and regional level. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me first to express our profound gratitude to His Excellency, the President of Kenya, President William Samoei Ruto, for according Wajir County and the wider northeastern region the honor to host this year's Madaraka Day. Your Excellency, the name Wajir means coming together. Wajir is not just a geographical space, it was a strategic bastion. Nestled between Garissa and Mandera, Wajir has for centuries stood as a vital artery of trade, a historic crossroads connecting the Republic of Kenya to its neighbors, Somalia and Ethiopia. Long before the colonial borders, Wajir was a prize to be won, a strategic stronghold, a fierce battleground between the British and the Italians. And Your Excellency, this is the only place in Kenya that for 2 years was under Italian rule. Today, Your Excellency, this town is blessed with sacred historic sites for everyone to see. We stand proud as the home of some of the pioneer educational institutions in the Republic of Kenya, including Wajir Full Primary School and Wajir High School, established in the 1940s and 60s respectively.
Neburaburu niko yanekiwa imeyo mocho na nyoke ekera bamenyi ibaichora asepara yo mocho yo kwe murunganiriye getuo kyo kurenda barwere ba Ebola kurwa sense America imeyo bamenyo b'abasigari Laikipia abamenyi baereire gose barerero bobeburia bobocheno ubobora tuboke asichinsemecho onye serikali kigo cyo kugenderera nemerobere yo batebire tibagucha wancha afya yabo kubekwa sakongo asobwaga kibuge tuekyo imeye kambi y'abanyanyimbo.
Hakuna quarantine katika Laikipia. Lakini sisi wakana wa Laikipia tunauliza aje? Viongozi wa Kionjori yako wapi? Kagiri yako wapi? Wanajua tulikuwa tunaacha barabara katika Nairobi. Kionjori na Kagiri wapi?
Tumekataa hiyo Ebola. Na tunasema ya kwamba hiyo agreement wanasema ilisainiwa. Serikali iko na jukumu la kulinda our sovereignty as the Kenyan people na hakika kwamba hao viongozi wao wa bunge wale wabadilishe hiyo sheria na hataki quarantine hapa na tunapatia ultimatum. Kama hiyo wametoa hiyo kitu by Tuesday kesho tutaenda mpaka airbase hakika kwamba hataki hiyo kitu hapa.
Hapa tunaanza tunakuja pasta watoto. Imagine ukipata mtoto wako anago hiyo kuna anagongo na Trump. Tunafunga makazi zetu tuko na uchungu sana kama wazazi. Ni kubaya.
Mnashindwa na shaa. Mnashindwa na vitu midogo kama kolera. Mnashindwa na linda mama. Mnashindwa na kolera. Mnashindwa na watoto waliochomeka pale utumizi. Ebola ndio utaweza. why tumesema leo tupige tu protest. Sababu iko kwa katiba na inatukubali tu protest na tuweze ku demonstrate tukiona kuna shida ambazo zilizoko. Kitu kingine tumedemonstrate leo ile siku tulipata madaraka. Leo ni ile siku Kenya ilipewa madaraka kama nchi. Tukapata madaraka kwa independence. Ikuaje United States wanakuja kutukontrolia nchi yetu? Sisi tumekataa Ebola na tumekataa mambo haya. Na nyuki ni tauni yetu, tumekataa. Sisi hatutaki Ebola na tunasema no Ebola, na wasiposikia next week on Tuesday tutaenda US Embassy tuende huko na kitu hapo watoe hiyo quarantine.
Na sense moyende asomukia bukurwani oboiti w'abasubati obu bwarorekanire kwimukirira igoro asama tukabwangoiga ababwatani ao Imeya Ikomi na Mlolongo bachakiri umuroberio bukomanya bamenyi ebitambukero baraire asoko bwaterana eryo kwenekia ebikoro ebyo byakeanire Imeyense.
Every month in the hospital we are handling more than 15 GBV cases, specifically from the Mlolongo and the larger Ikomi catchment area, and it has become a major concern, and that's the other reason why we had to approach a very cautious care.
Every life matters, and we don't want to lose other people because of cases that they can be saved. I think this program will target the women in the community, and also with ambulance, they will be able to be transported to the hospital and they get the care.
Mimi naweza sema watu ya bodaboda mkipatana na hizo cases, because now tuko na partnership na communication na hospitali na watu ya ambulance, tuweze kucommunicate na tuweze kufikisha ripoti, ama hata wewe unaweza chukua huyo mtu na umlete hospitali.
Mwachomuriria na indemagega yemerere menge kweneke wasi chiskuru ao muriro monene nigweneki wase inyumba y'oburaro yesukuru y'abamura ya Sameta ase umubasorero. Sukuru ya Sameta nigereme ye county ya Kisii tigango turarura chibiche cyo ase sukuru yo magega turanyororo boturo gasenchira y'obwekirano gisakire motwe. Mwacho murigiriria orobotero norunyora senchira y'obwikirano abwenseyemo yabono maragoba boigona Chinsa isato kurinde no gukumya konene keremerere kameneye ku kase kisukuru kwa makonyora ng'abana inchi na bwogali bakurigamura na gosegasega gosomba mache nebibuyu ekero tomaitenga kere county ne bwate chikali cy'umurero ekyo cyubonerete koiraneria sobwango eri gwika gokonye bintu by'abana ebikoyia gose no n'abana bali bare koyia egento ky'ogukumya ekyagera bono igokororanga abarai baito nigo bararete gose bararete amato asengencho yogosegasegera emebasokano bune yugo mwachomuriria mbya munasoko yarigereria ya asonchira y'obwenge nende tobwategagwo asenchiseyemo obutuku bwa rero na Frida Kerubo ireteria nenkorokunga edina mura kabe ne mogoro bengiya.